With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our today's question is an engine pumps 400 kg of water through height of 10 meter in 40 seconds. Find the power of the engine if its efficiency is 80%. So we have to solve this question, and in solution of this question we know that work done by the pump will be equal to mgh. So after putting the values, this will be equal to 400 multiply 10 multiply 10. So this will be equal to 40,000 joules. So now we know that power output will be equal to work done upon time, that will be equal to 40,000 divided by 40. So this will be cancel out, and we got output power is equal to 100 watt. So 1000 watt, and this will be rewritten as 1 kilowatt. So now we know that efficiency will be equal to output power upon input power. So efficiency given to us, that is 80%, will be equal to 1 upon input power. So 80 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon input power. So input power will be equal to 100 upon 80. So this will be equal to 1.25 kilowatt. So we can say that power input will be equal to 1.25 kilowatt. So we have to find the power of the engine if its efficiency is 80%. So the power of engine will be equal to 1.25 kilowatt. So this is the final answer of our question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.